Hello everyone. Today I'd like to do an unboxing of this security solar light. I was sent it to test, and I'm opening it right as I'm speaking. So we're gonna both see what's inside. So there's some additional parts to securely install this one. Let me try to pull it out. Again, sorry for using just one hand. This device itself, something to attach it to, and there's a thank you note, and there's some manual explanation of how you can use it. Okay, there's nothing else. Let's pack this one. So this is the device itself. I haven't charged it up yet, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Oh, there's a light, so it already came pre-charged, so this is fantastic. And I'm assuming it charges using the light, the sunlight. Well, I'm planning to use it on my backyard, or probably on the front yard instead when the winter passes, but I'm really impressed with its compact size. It's really lightweight, so I'm looking forward to using it. Thank you for watching. Oh, just one more thing I forgot to add, that this goes on the top of the warning sign. So as I said, it's a security light, so you can get a warning sign like this in any Dollarama store or any Dollar Tree store, and then you just have to install it like this so that it charges automatically and also it lights up. And there are two modes as described in this manual here, so make sure to read the manual. Other than that, I'm looking forward to using it, as I said, once the spring comes. And again, thank you for watching.